Hey everybody, I've come here today to talk to you about something serious, something anybody that has ever bought a tool has experienced. It's so serious, take my glasses off so you can focus on how serious I am. These are Harbor Freight coupons. We get these in the mail, you get them at the store, you can get them on your phone. Some of you all out there do not understand the basics of how these work.
No, they don't.
It's simple. There's rules to these and you all don't understand them. And if you're at home right now going, well, why is he making this video? I've never had this issue. You're probably the problem.
Sure is.
Everybody else out there that's standing behind you in line while you're trying to argue with the lady is ready to punch you in the face.
Preach on, brother.
So rule number one is take these, or however you have them, even if it's on your cell phone, to the store with you. If you get to the register and go, hey, I got a coupon for that at home, can you order it even though I ain't got it? No, they're not going to do it.
Sure.
No. Take this with you. Rule one. Take this when you go, hey, I'm going to go to Harbor Freight today. Take this with you.
Gotta have it.
Have it in your hand, in your wallet, whatever. But here, cashier, here's your coupon. Okay. Rule number two. We'll talk about the freebies. Right here. Free with any purchase. You can get all kinds of freebies. Look. Just look. Look. Tape measure, magnetic dish, headlamp, flashlight, microfibers. Any of this stuff is free with any purchase. That's the key though. Any purchase. Any purchase. Anything. You can buy anything. You can buy a grinder. You can buy a ratchet like your mama. You can buy a multimeter. You can buy a pry bar. You can buy a breaker bar. You can buy a 37-cent knife. Take it home and practice with it. I don't care. Any purchase.
Any purchase.
Now there's another kicker to this. When you go in there and you decide, hey, I'm gonna get my freebie today, I want this flashlight. When you decide what you want and you've made, hey, I'm gonna buy this and I'm gonna get a free flashlight, take both of these to the register with you. Don't go up to the register and go, hey, I want my free flashlight. You got it there behind the register for me? No, they don't. They do not. Get it off the shelf and take it with you. This is a 2-year-old could do this and you all mess it up every time I go to Harbor Freight. Ah! No, you don't like mini men. You like mini men, like midgets.
Oh, like little sweet loaves? They come out, because they're gay, they come out the cabinet. Called sweet loaf.
Hey everybody, I've come here today. I swear to fuck.